Hello, children. Children, as you all know, the new session has already begun, and we have to read new books, all the new books. So I hope you have already read the first chapter also from here, because it's already 15 to 16 days, but I'm getting time now to make these videos. So let's start. First, I want to introduce you with your book. Your name of the grammar book is Essentials of English Grammar and Composition. It's written by Rajendra Pal, H.C. Katyal, Snigdha Buddhiraja, and it's published under Sultan Chand. So let us see what is the first chapter here. But before starting the first chapter, children, you know we should always start our day with a very beautiful thought, inspiring thought. So I just want to tell you, never stop growing. Why? You all are small kids now, so we should never stop growing. And not only kids, children, or we also, like an elder people also, they should never stop growing. We should always learn a new thing each and every day. Whatever we are getting to learn, we should learn it. We should grasp that thing. Like new plants, you have seen, when a plant start to grow, each day it grows. In the same way, we are also like plants, you are also like plant. We should grow each and every day. So children, here we are taking for class 4 English grammar, that is, sorry, it's chapter 1, not chapter 2. It's an alphabetical order. So children, you know the alphabets. I'm not going to teach you alphabet, so don't worry, but I want you to just have a look at it. A to Z, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I will tell you why I am telling you all this. Children, what is an alphabetical order? Order means we know that it is a command, to give command to order someone, but we are not talking about that order here. We are talking about alphabetical order, means to arrange the alphabets in a correct order. But why? What is the need? Okay, what is the purpose? Let us see. Let us find out. An alphabetical order is used to arrange letters or words alphabetically. So children, where can we use or find the things in an alphabetical order? See children, let us take from today's our life example. Let us take life examples, like where can we use these things, why it is important. Children, when you will open your mobile, like nowadays everyone is using mobile, whether they are children, small children, or senior children, or parents, everyone, teachers, everyone, they are doing work from home, so everyone has to use mobile or laptop, everything. So children, when you will go in the contact list, you will see all the names are arranged in alphabetical order. First name, you will see it starts with A only, and when you will go to the last of the contact, you will see maybe S, or after that T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, like that you will see. And see children, nowadays if we want to look for the hard words, difficult words, we check in our mobile only. We have downloaded one dictionary and we can easily see the pronunciation or meaning, everything. But before, we were using dictionary also, the real dictionary, in our in a pocket dictionary. The students were using pocket dictionary, so there also we used to see the words in alphabetical order. Suppose we have to find any word with R, okay, suppose R, suppose regret. So what we will do, children, first we will go to R letter. We know after P, Q, R, then it comes R after P and Q, and before S, so we know the order, so we can easily go to R, and then E, then G. In this way, we will find the word. But just imagine if the words are not arranged in alphabetical order. So what will happen? How will you find the word? And there are so many words. So it makes our work easy also. So let's see, where can we find alphabetical order. Attendance register, obviously. Children, you if you have seen your teacher's attendance register, you might have noticed that she has written all the names in an alphabetical order. Yes, contact list in your mobile. Library, children, you know, I mean, the books are arranged in alphabetical order. What happened? It makes your work easy. Suppose you have to find your English book, so go to alphabet E. You have to find your science book, go to alphabet science, alphabet S. It's so easy. But suppose the books are just messed up, they are kept in without any order, no order is there, so how will you find the book? So it makes difficult. So if the books are arranged in an alphabetical order, it will make your work easy. Chemist shops, you will see, children, there are so many medicines in the chemist shops. If they will not arrange it properly, if the medicines are not arranged in alphabetical order, then what will happen? How will they find the medicines? It's so difficult for them. Dictionary, obviously dictionary, we can see a picture of a dictionary here. Now the second question which comes here is, why is it important to arrange things alphabetically? So just now we have discussed that it makes our work easier, and obviously if it makes your work easy, it saves your time also, right? So it makes the things easier to find, as we have to look only for the first or the second letter, sometimes third also, sometimes four also. When we will go see the example, we will get to know. And it saves a precious time. Yes children, time is very precious to us. You can say time is money. So a beautiful thought is given here. Remember, you can earn more money, but when time is spent, it's gone forever. See children, suppose you lost your 100 rupees today, you can get it tomorrow, okay, or you can earn it tomorrow, but suppose the time is gone, how will you buy the time again? We cannot buy time. Suppose you are in class 4 now, do you remember of class 3, or not class 3, suppose class 2, when you were going to school, you had so much fun, you were celebrating your birthday with your friends, but now we cannot do that. Can you bring that time now? No, now we are at our home, okay. So what happened, whenever you get time, you learn the things, you get the time, you enjoy a lot, live your life to the fullest, okay. uh, Spend your time in a good way, make it valuable. So children, remember, you can earn more money, but once the time is gone, it's gone forever. So let's start. We are in alphabetical order. So how should we arrange words in alphabetical order? So you can see the pictures here. First is notebook, then school bag, bottle, and notebook. So you have to check the first letter first of each word, like T, S, B, and N. So children, which letter comes first? Obviously bottle, B. B comes first. After that notebook, N, then S, school bag, and then textbook. So let us arrange it. It's very simple example. Let's move to another example now. Now let's write the names of the fruits: orange, banana, guava, and grape. So first letters are O, B, G, and G. So B is the first letter to come. So we will write B, and after that, you know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G comes, then O comes. But here you will see that there are two G here. So we will move to the next letter, U and R. So we know R comes first before U. So first we will write grapes, guava, and then orange, like this. Now see, four words are here, and all the four words have the first letter as P. So what we will do here, we will strike P. Let's move to the next letter, E, E, A, and I. So we know A comes first, so let us write papaya here, okay. Now what is left? E, E, and I. So we know E comes first. So but again there are two words with E. So let us cut E. Okay. Now the third letter is N. So again cut N. But what we can see here? This word is over here. So we will write the shortest word first. And then we will write pencil, and what is left behind? Pineapple. So it will go in the last. In the same way, come to the third example, children. Apple, application, apply, and ape. So children, we can see two letters are same, AP, 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 and AP. So let us strike it off fast. Okay, now we can see here third letter P, 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 and E. So if we know that E comes first before P, so first we will write ape here. Then what is left? Apple, application, and apply. So third letter is P, so just strike it off. Fourth letter is L, again strike it off. Now the fifth letter is E, I, and Y. So we know E comes first, then apple, okay, then I comes after that, so application, and then apply. It is very easy to do. You have to just keep the things in your mind. So let's start the chapter now. Chapter 1, alphabetical order. The ABCD order is called alphabetical order. A dictionary gives the words in alphabetical order, so that makes it easier to find their meanings. In a telephone directory, the names are given in alphabetical order, and entries in an encyclopedia are also in alphabetical order. So children, you will see many encyclopedias where the index is arranged in alphabetical order, and it's very easy for you to find the words or whatever you want to find. Now let's do the book exercise. Write each sets of word in alphabetical order. So let's read the words first. Zebra, eagle, panda, and tortoise. So we know that in Z, E, and P, and T, E comes first, so we will write first eagle. After that P, panda, then T, tortoise, and Z comes last, so zebra. Now share, skip, send and smell. So first letters are same, so just strike it off fast. Then second letters are H, K, E and M. So we know E comes first, so we will write send. Then H, K and M. So H comes first, then share, and in K and M, K comes and then M. So you have to write like this. Now come to the third question, praise, pretty, prove and prize. So two letters are same here, PR, PR and PR. So we will strike it off very fast. Now come to the 1 minute. Now come to the third letter, A, E, O and I. So we know first A comes, so write praise, then E comes, and then in O and I, we know I comes first and then prove. See children, cherry, cheek, cheat and chess. Then we can see CHE are common in all the 4 words. So let us cut it very fast, strike it off. Okay, so what is left? R, E, A and S. So we know A comes first, so let us write cheat. Then E comes cheek, then in R and S, R comes first and then S. Now stamp, stays, start and steers. So again STA are common, so we will strike STA. Okay, now what is left? M, G, R and I. So we know G comes first, so stage, then I, steers, then M comes stamp and then start. So it's so easy children, just do stepwise. Okay, stepwise you do, it is very easy for you. Now see, what message did Anvita get from Yazin? Correspond the letters to their numeric position in the alphabet. See, they are talking on a phone and Anvita is giving some message to Yazin. So let's see. See children, like A to Z, we know 26 alphabets are there. So A comes in the first position, B comes in the second position, C comes in the third position, D comes in the fourth position and so on. Z comes in the 26th position. In the same way Y 25th, X 24. So what you have to do, just write here ABCD, write the numbers there and then easily you can find. Like I have written W stands for, 23 stands for W, 9 stands for I, 19 stands for S, 8 stands for H, 25 is Y, 15 is O, 21 is U, 1 is A, 22 is V, 5 is E, 18 is R, 25 is Y, 8 is H, again 1 is A, 16 P, 25 is Y, 2 is B. I think you know now. Wish you a very happy birthday. So I is 9, 18 is R, 20 is T, 8 is H, D is 4 and 1 is A and 25 is Y. So she is saying happy, wish you a very happy birthday. So children, you can play game also like this. You just write the numbers, give to your friend, they will solve it. Or if you have any younger brother or sister, you can also tease them like this. It's very easy for you to tease them and it's very easy for them to understand alphabetical order. So I hope you have enjoyed the chapter children. That's all for today children. Thank you.